Hi everyone, welcome back to HubSpot Shortcuts. I'm Garo, and this is the place where you learn how to get the most out of your HubSpot in just a few minutes. Today, we are diving into something that can seriously make or break your HubSpot experience: auditing your HubSpot portal. Think of it like a health checkup for your CRM. A HubSpot audit helps you uncover inefficiencies, make sure you're maximizing your investment. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how exactly to run a proper HubSpot audit to keep your portal running at peak performance. Now, before we dive in, if you would like a free HubSpot audit valued at $10,000, I've got you covered. I'll leave the link down below in the description where you can schedule it directly with me. Don't miss the opportunity if you want to unlock the full potential of your HubSpot portal. Why a HubSpot audit matters and it's so important. Well, HubSpot is a powerful platform, but if it's messy, outdated, or misaligned with your business goals, you're leaving money on the table. A good audit ensures your CRM data is accurate and up to date, your marketing, sales, and service tools are all working in sync, and most importantly, your portal is aligned with your overall business objectives. With regular audits, you risk clutter, poor reporting, and missed opportunities. Now let's break down the 4 key areas of HubSpot audit. One is the HubSpot CRM. This is the backbone of your portal. You want to review properties and objects for relevance, check integrations with other tools, make sure deal stages match your actual sales process, and verify user permissions so that people only have access to what they need. And of course, clean up your contact database, remove duplicates, merge entities, and keep data fresh. Next up is the Marketing Hub. This is where your check email performance, deliverability, opens, and click rates. Forms, are they consistent and effective for lead capturing? Segmentation, are you organizing contacts properly so you can run personalized campaigns? A cluttered or inconsistent marketing setup can kill your conversion rates, so don't skip this step. Number 3. For Sales Hub, focus on deal properties, deal pipelines. Are they clear, defined, and easy to follow? Sales forecasting, are your projections reliable? And the overall sales process, do stages reflect reality or do you have bottlenecks? This part of the audit helps you ensure your sales team isn't wasting time or losing track of opportunities. Finally, for the Service Hub, here you want to audit ticket pipelines, are support requests tracked correctly, ensure alignments are clear and nothing is slipping through the cracks, and review how your team uses automation or AI to improve customer satisfaction. Remember, happy customers mean repeat business. Beyond the hubs, there are also a few other areas that you need to look at. Outdated workflows can break process and confuse teams. Make sure your lead scoring criteria is actually reflected to today's buyer behavior. Verify your HubSpot tracking code is installed correctly across your site. Deactivate old users, review permissions, and consider single sign-on for security as well. Declutter your portal by achieving or removing files you don't need anymore. This makes HubSpot faster and cleaner. Always enable SSL and two-factor authentication and review compliance settings in GDPR. Once your audit is done, don't just keep the findings in your head. Create a structured report. Start with an executive summary, add detailed finding in each hub, include visuals, charts, and graphs. Make it easier to spot trends. And finish with actionable recommendations. This report is not just for you, it's for your team and your stakeholders. It keeps everyone on the same page and helps to drive continuous improvement. And remember, one audit is not enough. Ideally, you should be running a full audit at least once a year, more often if the company is scaling quickly. So there you have it, a complete framework for auditing your HubSpot portal by forecasting on a CRM, Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, plus those extra checks with the workflows, tracking, and user management. You'll keep your portal clean, efficient, aligned with your business goal. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more HubSpot tips. and drop a comment if you like to create a step-by-step checklist template for you to do the audit. Thanks for checking out the video. See you on the next one.